Are you happy with where you are with your career now? I mean, looking at how long you've been in the industry.
Look, I be like St. Louis Sugar. Sorry for that. But I know me. I'm not in competition with anybody, and I've always said it to everybody here that the most important part of being, where we are right now is the fact that we were not hoarding this space. Not hoarding. Well, I was never on one high horse looking down like. Me, I was always rolling with them even before.
Always content.
So when I start talking about artists, I knew this artist before he blew up, or I did this. People were like, "Oh, it's name dropping," but it's the real thing. I mean, a lot of artists that they never, got their break before I knew them, and I was doing stuff with them. So I tell people that you need to emit a certain type of positive energy into the system so you can get it back.
One day, our ears will be deafened to the cheers. Our bodies won't feel the coldness of the world, but the memories we've created will be evergreen. Olanrewaju Abdulganiu Fasasi, popularly known as Sound Sultan, was born in Jos, Plateau State on November 27, 1976. Though a Yoruba man from Oyo State, he was based in Lagos. A Nigerian music icon, rapper, singer, songwriter, actor, comedian, and recording artist. He was regarded as one of the pacesetters of modern hip-hop music in Nigeria. He was notable for using his music to speak against poverty, corruption, bad governance, and societal ills in Nigeria. He was a conscious artist making conscious music. Sound Sultan's career in show business started in 1990s when he hosted shows to raise money for studio sessions. By 1999, he had won numerous local talent hunt shows. He released his first single, Jagbajantis, in 2000, which was a hit in Nigeria. After independently releasing other singles and featuring in hit songs of other artists, he was signed by Kenny's Music. Under Kenny's Music, he released 4 albums. By 2007, his contract with the label expired, and he partnered with Baba D to start Nigerian Ninjas, a parent organization for record label, production outfit and clothing line. After starting as a rapper, he has worked in different musical genres from R&B to Afrobeat, soul and Nigerian Fuji music. He has also said that artists shouldn't be judged by the genre in which they perform, that the important thing is the message conveyed in the music. Under Nigerian Ninjas, he released Back from the Future 2010 and signed artists such as Kamal the Rapper, Young Gracie, Sean and Blacker. Sound Sultan began a working relationship with Wyclef Jean when he featured alongside Two-Face Idibia and Faze. I'm proud to be African from Wyclef's Welcome to Haiti. They have collaborated on 2 other projects, King of My Country 2009 and People Bad 2012. In 2012, Sound Sultan was made a UN ambassador for peace for his exemplary lifestyle and career. In 2015, Sound Sultan released a rap single titled Remember after a long absence from music scene. After the fallout of the African Basketball League, Sound Sultan joined forces with the organizers of the Continental Basketball League to become a team owner of Lagos City Stars, the 2017 champions, and a facilitator of the league entertainment. Sound Sultan featured on Arabelle's 2019 single, Bridal, with Joel. Sound Sultan was known to be the most scandal-free celebrity, a good patriot who was focused on making Nigeria better by making good music, helping upcoming artists to rise, raising a beautiful family and minding his business. He hardly sang alone, he always wanted to have upcoming acts on his songs. He was also known for his choice of musical shots. He rarely shot videos in luxurious scenes. He was always telling the Nigerian story. Sound Sultan got married to his long-term girlfriend, Chichi Mora, who converted to Islam and changed her name to Farida in 2009. After 3 kids and over a decade in marriage, the couple did not stop showering love on each other. Their social media pages are filled with love affirmations for each other. According to testimonies, people can say that Sound Sultan was a free-minded artist, very open to everyone who was ready to come to him. On May 12, 2021, it was reported in the media that Sultan was somewhere in America where he was receiving treatment in form of chemotherapy as a musician, was reportedly diagnosed with throat cancer. He died July 11, 2021 at the age of 44 as a result of complications from the illness. It is said that it is not how long a man has lived, but how well he has lived. We are consoled by the fact that you lived well and impacted so many through music and of course comedy. We will forever miss you and thank you for the good music. Thank you for the legacies. Thank you for making indelible marks in our lives. We love you and we miss you. Adieu.
Fire, 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 lele. Fire, 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 lele. Hey, while we are waiting for a miracle. Fire the money, the money, the money, the money. We pray may your apple. Fire the money, the money, the money, the money. We pray may fire cool. Fire the money, the money, the money, the money. We pray for miracle. Fire the body, the body, the body, the body. Panapano, panapano, panapano. Fire, 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 lele. Fire, 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 lele. Hey, oh, days dark past when they go, man they pray for brighter.
The woman looked at like this. Attention, please. That is a called plantation, please. Two-Face that lie. Stand up, you get microphone, Abi. Deny it, my lie. So big shout out to Two-Face EDB. One love, I love you so much, you know that already. Yes, homo.
No, stay now. Stay. Mayday now. I mean, I never knew you could be this funny. You know? Like say your music be like your comedy, you for big past Two-Face. I'm just saying.
Everybody, join Jamajantis, we solve mathematics. We need about our continent. So, going back about math, we go use to solve mathematics. So follow Jamajantis. So ya Caribbean, be for brotherhood. Love your neighbor as yourself. Oh, for objectivity. Objective gentlemen, for democracy, and for modification of our behavior, let's answer the savior. A accountability, if you've been a chocolate, I beg you take time easy. S for solidarity, oh my show, we enter new millennium. Just like 120 million. One population of 60 billion. Divide that one by 120 million. All together, we are all together. Answer you get now waiting, they make people in charge. Answer you get now waiting, they make people in trouble. By hook, by crook. The answer you get now waiting, they make people they sleep. Embassy for this answer you get now waiting, they make people they sell the property for GT. Get it. Let the travel see proceed. Get it. Everybody, join Jamajantis, solve mathematics. We need our continent. So, going back about math. Go use takes of mathematics. So follow Jack.
Attention all brothers, this is a Ninja and Hypertech collaboration.
I am something like a bushmeat. I am searching for the hunter. If I ever catch the hunter, if you help me see the hunter, ever me keep ever me keep ever me ever me keep see one day push me go catch the hunter. See one day push the hunter. See when they push me, go catch the hunter, catch the hunter, catch the hunter. See them fly for them aeroplane. On top of all the plane, my people maintain. No, I don't tire to the explain. Begin whenever trucks say they complain. No, what I like in a yawa. Everywhere just like no power. Only power na the one where them get you, where them you stay oppressed. So my people for the ghetto. Now what could be the answer? Could it be that we don't matter to them? Cause they chop my money, your money, every other person money. Ever me keep it, ever me keep it, ever me keep them, now my people sabi them, everything about the body.